I have bought on Craigslist another Toro recycler. This is a model GTS-XL, very much like the one that I got in March of this year. And it's in pretty good condition. Not sure it's as nice as the one that I got in March, but at least the rear wheels are in good condition on here. Those were pretty worn out. Toro recycler, it's a 21-inch. It's got a 6.0 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine on it, and this is a primer bulb engine. And it does not run, has not run in some period of time, and it just reeks of stale gas. They got themselves a new lawnmower, and they bought this new. This is the Personal Pace, older model. Appears to be the same 1999 model that I got earlier this year. It's missing a knob here. That's the only thing I can see that's really wrong. Missing, holding this up. Has very little oil in it and is very dirty. It just really reeks of bad gas. Frame looks like it's in really good shape. I think it'll clean up very nicely. It's a recycler blade, a little bit different than the current Toro recyclers. Looks pretty good underneath. It appears that the self-propel works because pulling the rope, it will try to pull itself. Check the air filter out here. And it is old and dingy. Yep, very dirty and old. It looks pretty dirty in the carburetor area, and it still reeks of very old gas. So more than likely that is an issue. Is the carburetor and gas tank, the whole works. No gas in here, and that smells bad as well. Wheels are in good condition on here all the way around. Let me show you the serial number of this Toro. And here is the model number and serial number on this Toro GTS-XL. I'm not going to put any gas in this tank. I'm going to put some carburetor cleaner in here, and we'll try to give it a start to see if it at least is firing. So let's do that, and then we'll pull the rope and try to start it. And we're going to spray some carburetor cleaner in this dirty looking carburetor. Alright, now let's give it a start here. Okay, let's see if it does anything here. I just pull in the rope with a little carburetor cleaner. Here we go. Well, it did try to start. And that is about it, all it will do for now, I'm sure. That's a good sign. It has got spark, it is firing. Looks like the self-propelled is working. When I pull down on it, it is trying to go when I pull the rope. So we're going to clean this up. I think it'll clean up real nicely. And then we're going to take a look at this carburetor here on this really nice looking Toro GTS-XL.